The workplace is constantly evolving, from how you work to when and where you work. You expect your design tools to be as flexible as you are, and 3D Creator delivers with unsurpassed ease of access with little more than a connected device and a web browser. Xdesign, the 3D design tool included with 3D Creator, delivers industry-standard 3D parametric design methodologies while adding modern innovations to the design workflow. The sketching environment, for example, will be familiar to anyone used to working with 3D design tools, with the added benefit of touch support for mobile and tablet devices. Add to that smarter geometric relationships, and your time spent in the early phases of design will be more productive. Standard and familiar features will have you up and running in no time, but super features will change the way you work as your designs evolve. You can simply change features from one type to another without consequence on the fly, breaking down design barriers, not feature relationships. Likewise, the single modeling environment removes the traditional constraints of working with parts and assemblies. You may start creating a single part to solve a problem and then realize a subassembly may be a better solution. Just add the new features and parts to the existing component, and it behaves like a traditional assembly, where you can use geometric constraints to control the position and motion of those new components. Simply design the way you want, more intuitively and naturally. Innovative tools and features like these are regularly being added to Xdesign within 3D Creator, but because it simply runs within your web browser, there's never any updates or software to install. You always have access to the latest technology. 3D Creator is built on the 3D Experience platform, which not only means your design data is always secure and accessible from virtually anywhere, but you can also leverage many other apps on the 3D Experience platform to further your goals as your design needs grow. To learn more about the exciting capabilities in 3D Creator, visit solidworks.com/transform or contact your local reseller for more information on getting started.